Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. And our Daily Doodle today is Fecto Elfilis. Alright, so I'm going to get started by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to do a slanted line coming down, and then a curved line underneath that. And then I'm going to give a bit of space and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to do a circle inside that, and then a curve following that one, and another one, and another one. And I'm going to do the same thing over on this side. So an inside circle, and then getting littler and littler and littler. Okay, I'm going to thicken up this top line a little bit too. Alright, so next I'm going to do the shape of the face here. So it's kind of close to the eyes there, and then we're slanting downward. And then we're doing like a little itty bitty mouth kind of nose area. So we don't really see a mouth or a nose on this character, but we're just coming out a little itty bitty bit. Alright, so now we're going to give a bit of room up top, and we're going to do a curved shape like this for the top of the head. And over here on the sides of the head, we're going to do 3 shapes like this. So 1, 2, 3, and we can do them on the other side. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to do 2 little lines on each one. Okay, like that. And now let's get ready to do some horns. So up here above the eyes, we're going to do a little 2 little lines, and we can curve, 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 curve. Great big curve. And then we can come on down a little bit. It's rounded there at the top. And we can come on out and do like a little rectangle kind of area. And then come on down, do another kind of rectangle shape. And come on down again and do another one. And then come on down again. And then we can kind of finish up this side of the head. Okay, so now let's do this horn, but on this side. Alright, so we're going to try to do the same thing, try to make it the same height, but it's okay if it's not exactly the same. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're just having fun drawing. Alright, so now both of the horns are done. And I'm going to make a little line right here. And I'm going to come on down from the horn section here, and we can come on down past the eyes and kind of curve up a little bit and do the same thing on the other side. And now right here we're going to do a curve, almost like a circle here. And I'm going to do a little shape like this, almost like a circle with a little V. And I'm going to do that same thing again, and then I'm going to do it over on this side. going to keep on drawing. Come on down this way and back up that way. Okay. All right, so next let's do the fluff around the neck. So there's a lot of neck fluff, almost like a big furry scarf. So I've got lots of little like strokes like this just to kind of help show texture. Real fluffy. Like that. And now let's come on down from here. We can start working on an arm. So the arms are really, really thin up top, and then past the elbow, they're like super thick. So we can do a pointy bit of elbow here, and then we can come on down, and it's going to be real thick here. See the difference here, then up top here? Real thick. So we can do a hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers, and let's do a thumb. But now the nails. This character has super duper long nails, like long claws. So we've got one right there, and we can't see where the other ones really are because they're in a fist. So let's do the other arm. So same as before. Real thin up top, some spiky elbow goodness, and then we can come on down real thick with the rest of the arm in the hand. So we can do real long nail here. Long claws here. And another one. All right, so now let's work on the actual torso area. So 2 lines here on either side. Pretty little waist here, itty bitty waist. And then it gets wider here at the hips. Some thick legs happening. A little line here. Another thick leg, thick thigh. And then we can do a little, we can come up a little bit here like a little itty bitty hill, and then come on down, and then come on down here too. And then right here, we can come on down and do another itty bitty hill and come on down. So now we can make a big V shape. Right there. And now, of course, the top, like, big elephant ear wing area. Okay. So start here at the top of the head, and they're gonna be like in behind the horns. And we're gonna have a few like little spiky parts coming off. And these things are huge, so they're gonna be kind of coming off the page here a bit. And drawing up this way, so we have like almost like one big long pointy part. And then this part up here is a lot thicker. And now we've got some parts that are just coming up, like a great big U shape. And then coming down again, and up, and coming down. And now we're gonna do the same over here, okay? So we're coming on up, do a few little spiky parts. and then part is cut off by our page, unfortunately. And we can come on down, a little bit of a spiky part right there, right here. And then we gotta make these big U shapes. So we got a U right there, come on up, do another one, come on up, and another one leading to that spiky part. All right, so now we're gonna do a thick part here, and then the rest of that is behind the horn. And now on these big pieces, there's like really cool designs. So let's put a little bit of a wavy zigzaggy line here on these parts, as well as on this one. And I'm going to do another one up top. Okay, so on these actual parts themselves, there's some like really cool kind of flowy designs, but I think they're kind of hard to see based on the movement of the character. So maybe we'll leave those out, but you can add them in if you want to. But I think from now, I think now we're just going to add in the tail. So nice big fluffy tail here, like that. And zigzaggy spot here for the bottom. And now I'm going to start adding color. Alright, so we were all finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a really good day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!